Hello guys, and welcome back for another Kaspa price prediction analysis video. And Kaspa at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices after breaking out of our ascending triangle to the upper side and also fully maximizing my minimum target areas that I shared with you yesterday above the 0.0931. And at the time of this recording, we still continue to maintain that bullish momentum. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the next key areas that we need to pay attention to. And above all, take a look at the weekly chart, giving you reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I have this additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where we first peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, giving us a high above the 0.07976. Then we saw a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of this edge wave count 4, and I believe that whatever has been playing out over here is the final phase of that 5 wave structure to the upside in the formation of this edge wave count 5, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci to the high of that wave 3. And on so doing, I say to you that my first target area was on the fib level 0.618, an area that we have now fully maximized above the 0.08945. And you can see that we have continued to push even higher, and there's a very high chance that if we continue seeing that bullish momentum, we can get to the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.09562 in the next coming hours. But also have in mind that since we have done the minimums, there's a very high chance that the high is now in the formation of this wave 5, and we have now completed that 5 wave structure to the upside just like expected, and that means we can now term this 5 wave structure to the upside as a larger edge wave count 1, and we can now expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger edge wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 that we have at the moment. And the minimum target area for this second wave will lie between the fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is between the 0.07794 and the 0.06121 as our minimum target area. And within this area, I will expect Kaspa to find support, and once we find support within the area, then we should see a reversal to the upside in the next coming days, starting an impulsive bounce in the formation of a larger edge wave count 3 that can easily get us above the 0.1 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is all that I'm expecting on the short term. For now, I'm a little bit cautious because there's a very high chance that we can easily get a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into this red target area before we can continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 3. On the weekly chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made in 2023, we saw an aggressive bounce to new all-time highs above the 0.21 in the formation of this wave 1. Then we started a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas for that second wave, highlighted on the charts using that red target area. And there's a very high chance that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.37197. And if that target area is hit, then Kaspa will be able to give us a new all-time high and possibly give us a 3x return from the current prices that we have at the moment. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that edge wave count 5. So that is my short-term and also my long-term analysis on Kaspa, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.